Hello everyone, this is Dr. Krishan. I am ENT surgeon based in Delhi and I am co-convener in Indian Medical Association. I am CEO Burgeon which aims to revolutionize the school education. आज हम एक कॉमन टॉपिक कवर करेंगे. काफ़ी पेरेंट्स की डिमांड थी कि अभी स्कूल्स ओपन होने वाले हैं तो दे आर वेरी एंक्सियस अबाउट स्कूल ओपनिंग एंड देयर इज़ न्यू स्ट्रेन बाय द नेम ऑफ ओमाइक्रॉन जो कोविड की साउथ अफ्रीका में और बाकी दो कंट्रीज़ में भी हांगकांग एंड बोत्सवाना में रिपोर्ट हुई है. अभी और भी कंट्रीज़ में रिपोर्ट होना शुरू हो रहे हैं. अभी जस्ट आई सॉ न्यूज़ की जर्मनी में भी रिपोर्ट हुई है. सो काफ़ी एंक्सियस है. सो अगर स्कूल ओपन होता है तो क्या क्या उनको प्रिकॉशंस फॉलो करना चाहिए, कैसे अपने किड्स को प्रिपेयर करना चाहिए, स्पेशली जो लोअर क्लास में क्लास 1 2 3 1 to 5th क्लास में जो होते हैं उनको कैसे प्रिपेयर करना चाहिए, बिकॉज दे आर नॉट मैच्योर इनफ टू फॉलो द कोविड अप्रोप्रिएट बिहेवियर ऑन देयर ऑन. तो स्कूल में कैसे फॉलो करना चाहिए, तो बेसिकली इस वीडियो में मैं वो सारी इश्यूज डिस्कस करूँगा. साथ साथ आई विल डिस्कस अबाउट द एडवाइजरी फॉर पेरेंट्स फॉर students, especially for senior class who can follow these, and teachers, advisory for teachers, then caretakers and peons and drivers, and as a school management. So basically parents को अपने बच्चों को based on their age group, if they are in standards greater than 5th class, so they can understand. So even for their kids they should make them understand in their own way the different aspects of the covid appropriate behavior, social distancing. They should send them with mask and especially tell them about the consequences of not following the covid appropriate behavior. Even kids can these days understand these things. Along with that, social distancing, not to share food and all these kind of things, especially during the covid, they should follow. And they should not take things from public canteens which are available in the school. They should follow only home cooked food. And they should be kept on multivitamin syrup and to boost immunity. These should be taught from the parent side, and parents should make sure that the bus, especially the school buses, in school buses there is not overcrowding and social distancing is being followed, one kid on one seat. Along with that, in schools they should ensure that they should form a pressure group to pressurize the school management to follow the social norms, and school should be started in a staggered manner, means that morning evening classes should be started. 4 hour schooling should start at first, then it can be extended to the regular 6 hours schedule. Along with the students should understand these aspects, especially the senior class sister 6th class plus. They are mature enough, they can follow these guidelines, covid appropriate behavior. Along with that, at Burgeon we offer the hand and hygiene workshops, as well as we teach the students through online mode on Zoom and Google Meet. Along with that, in few cities we take offline the things, hand and hygiene workshops to orient the kids. We have been taking since the first wave of the covid. We have taken sessions for the international schools of Mumbai and other cities also. So any school management or principals interested for this, they can avail our services at Burgeon. They can contact me. I'm the CEO of Burgeon. They can contact me in by following the details mentioned in the description of the video. Along with that, for teachers, school management should ensure that teachers should get should be double vaccinated before taking the classes, and they should also follow the covid appropriate behavior and protocols. Along with that, caretakers and peons should be properly trained to deal with the kids in the covid post covid period, as well as in these initial months of the school when school get open. Along with that, school management should ensure that they are regularly being trained, they are regularly being updated about the covid guidelines and all, and they should be taught to identify, to trace any sick child or child showing the symptoms of covid, so they can be availed medical treatment, and they can be isolated at the right time. Along with that, bus drivers should be trained properly, and bus caretaker should be trained properly to ensure that, especially for the junior classes, the kids are following the COVID appropriate behavior. Even the parents should ensure that kids should have some extra mask in case his her one mask get spoiled like that. Along with that, the regular school management should ensure that the teachers, is caretakers, peons, and these drivers are regularly following the COVID appropriate behavior, and they should be trained time to time, and any case of defaulters should be penalized, so that people get properly accustomed to this new COVID appropriate behavior. And along with that, schools should train their workers and all. They can get our COVID appropriate behavior training workshop at the Burzion through online mode or offline mode. Even the parents should, if the vaccination for pediatric population starts, they should get their kid vaccinated properly. And moreover, there should be the availability of one doctor in the school during the school hours, so that the any kid having some symptoms can be properly diagnosed, and there should be the facility of COVID testing in the schools also, so that that child can be can be tested, and if he or she comes COVID positive, then they can, there is facility of what suspected kids having their separate online classes, so that their study may not be affected. So I think that this video will be helpful and will help to decrease the anxiety of the parents, and I hope the parents should send their kids to the school, as the social interaction and other skills which has been compromised for last 2 years should get their should develop, and also we should move towards the new normal like that thing. For any queries, you can contact me by following the descriptions in the with description of the video. Thanks.